Wow, look at this case that was done in Lebanon. Patient has had implants done on the upper arch, upper jaw, lower teeth. They were told they need braces, but wow, this is just doesn't make sense. It's not congruent. We had to take out one implant. We had to take out these old, ill-looking crowns that were on these implants, and we had to start from there fresh, fixing the botch work that was done in Lebanon. Amazing. Look at the after pictures. If you look at the after pictures, and if you look at the upper crowns, they're porcelain, but we had to add a little bit of pink to the porcelain to compensate for the lack of the gum tissue that was lost because of the failing implants. So our new implants on the top, 4 individual crowns, and on the lower, there's the 4 teeth that were failing were removed, and we put an implant bridge. So an implant on the top, implants on the bottom, and absolutely functionally, cosmetically, and aesthetically a big success from a botch job that was done overseas, where a patient just absolutely was unhappy with how her teeth look, and now she looks amazing, functional teeth. She can bite into an apple, and we're very happy with the results.